Enemies need killing.
Rest is for the dead. Cut and run. Axe takes all. Axe trades in death. To the enemy. Into war's teeth. Axe runs. Prove yourself. Axe, axe. Rest is for the dead. Attack. A slice of the action. Good day to fight. Fight if you can. Axes are none for you. Forward. Not yet.
Yeah.
Cut and run. Show your worth. Axe charges. Axe brings the axe. Axe goes. Prove yourself. That's the first blade low. To the enemy. Cold cut.
Huh.
To battle. Axe goes. Yes. Good day to fight. To the enemy. Axe runs. To battle. Here comes the axe. Enemies need killing. Forward.
Yep.
Cut and run. Show your worth. Into war's teeth.
How?
Eyes up. Your top tower needs a hand. Cuts anew. Rest is for the dead. Axe rises in rank. Axe charges. Axe is under attack. Forward. Axe runs.
What's up, Andy?
To battle. Rest is for the dead.
I'm on again.
Axe charges. Go cut and run. Good day to fight.
Axe.
Prove yourself.
Ah.
Need killing.
Whoa! I don't think this is going to be a good game at all. I'm an idiot.
Axe go.
Dude, why?
Fight.
Okay. Whoopsie.
Cut and run.
Ah,
Axe attacks.
your team will win though, because Troll versus Jug?
Into war. Axe grows stronger. Fight if you can.
Ah! He got lucky with that.
Wet my blade. Axe attacks. A slice of the action. Rest.
No, leave me alone.
Guess you didn't know a little game of freeze tag could turn lethal.
Your middle tower is under attack. Middle tower is in the middle of an attack. A double kill. Battle. Forward.
I need to play something else. Not this off lane all the time. I think next game I might just queue as a support or a carry. Ah!
Axe goes. Denied. Show your worth.
Ah!
To the enemy. Axe trades in death. They're thrashing your middle tower. Axe charges. Rest is for the dead. Middle tower is in the middle of an attack. To
Eh.
battle. It's a killing spree.
A mid brood mother? No way. I hate brood mother.
Taste my blade. Wet my blade. Dire's structures are fortified. Good day to fight.
Where's Jug gone?
Into war's teeth. Vanguard. Here comes the axe.
I'm gonna go farm.
Axe brings the axe. Your middle tower is under attack. Radiant is giving a shining example of fortified structures.
Bada bee bada bada boop.
Enemies need killing.
Go mid Chen? Dude, you have horrible suggestions for me. That would make me quit the game if I did that.
Axe go. They're thrashing your middle tower. Axe runs. Into war's teeth.
Chen's a good hero to learn. I don't really want to learn him though. I think he's a good hero to learn if you want to play him. But it's like the oboe is a good whatchamacallit. Oboe is a good instrument to learn. Probably, but I have no desire to be able to play it. Oh my god, he built a vanguard! I did. I was thinking of you, and I built a vanguard.
Your top tower is under attack.
Ooh, I should go up here and get some farm. Should I? No, I'll stay farming here. Got the McFlurry. Kauzaya! That's the spirit. Don't you dare, you peenarse. Good.
Forward. To battle. Cut and run.
What has she got? She's got Yules.
Axe charge.
Clear the creeps first. Push under the tower, then we'll go.
Good day to fight.
Ow. Come on. Oh!
Rest is for the dead.
Oh, I'm gonna die. The stupid ignite. Ooh! That's okay. Didn't even need to use the wand. Wasn't even close. Wasn't even scared.
Axe runs.
Jug's got a Battle Fury. A minute 13 Battle Fury.
Battle. Good day to fight.
Let's see. The McFlurry. What kind of a McFlurry was it though? Because there's a right answer and there's a wrong answer.
Cut and run.
Yeah, Hendy is like some kind of giant insatiable space creature, just always eating. Now a Lotus, says QC. Vanguard, Lotus, and you just waddle into battle. Should we do that? Don't even bother with a blade mail?
To the enemy.
Blink?
Rest is for the dead.
Your middle tower was just denied.
Attack. Axe charges. Fight if you can. Into war.
I'm so dead. Did he have to do that?
Killing. Forward. Enemies need killing.
Okay, they don't have vision here, that's good.
A slice of the action. Into war.
I'm guessing Lena TP'd top,
Rest is for the dead.
so I'm gonna go down here and farm these two camps.
Not ready. to fight. It is not yet time. Axe praise and death. It is not yet time. Show your worth.
Oreo without the Oreo. What? What's a McFlurry without the Oreo? It's just ice cream. I need to raise my weight to 80 kgs. So close now at 69. What? Hendy, I thought you were older than me. How is your weight 70? My weight is 90 kg? I'm a fatty.
Takes all. Axe brings the axe.
Lena now! Lena and Ogre are top. Let's kill this dumbass. Get him! Oh, Ogre's TP'd mid. This AA is tricky.
Axe charges.
Your top tower is under
To the enemy. Prove yourself. Into war's teeth.
I do not appreciate this lion always taking the kill with a freaking finger. So annoying.
Axe charges.
I think Lena's... Well, no, yeah, she is still there.
Cut and run. Good day to fight. Soldier of fortune. Forward.
Genetic, been like this.
To
Yeah.
battle.
I thought I ever told about it. Eat 4 or 5 times back in the day at campus. Are you sure you don't have a parasite? This sounds very parasite-y.
Wet my blade. Axe is not ready. Show your worth. Axe is under attack. You get. Enemies need killing.
I need to go heal.
bottom tower.
Right, what did QC say? Lotus.
Bottom tower is under attack.
Lotus and waddle into battle, he said. Alright. Lotus and then waddle. How do I waddle? Sorry man, I don't mean to make fun of you if it's something you're genuinely struggling with.
Rest is.
I used to struggle with raising my weight. I used to be like a tiny string bean, which is not cool. When I was playing lots of sports, so which is when you're so light, it's very difficult because you want to be big and heavy and fast. Ow.
Eyes up.
Enemies need killing.
Tower needs a hand.
Forward.
Thought I was gonna get hit with an AA ult.
To war's teeth.
Who's our carry?
Axe charges. Gold for me. To battle.
There's no fat people in your family.
Axe gold.
Ogre Magi has an Echo Saber. That's interesting.
Takes all.
No, 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 dude.
Into war's teeth.
Okay.
Dire have fortified their structures, just so you know.
Axe charge.
Should I take this stack? It's a tasty looking stack. I guess I'm taking it. You never drink water. How is he so tanky?
Cut you like cordwood.
Shonk. Oh, there's Lena.
Axe goes.
Did we go? He's got a blink. My bad, I should have gone. I'm not used to trusting the team. You guys know what I'm talking about.
Axe run. Forward. Axe brings the axe. Here comes the axe. Enemies need killing.
Also used to be a heavy smoker.
Axe goes.
Trying to increase your weight made more difficult. Smoking reduces your weight? Didn't know that.
Enemies need killing.
I am very dumb there. There's lots of things I don't know.
Check your bottom tower for a second. Radiant structures are fortified. Maybe check your bottom tower for a second.
Into war's teeth. To the enemy. Cut and run. To battle.
I think I might be able to kill the CM there.
Dead.
Oh no, there's an ogre. She's got a blink.
Your bottom tower.
Good day to fight. Not yet time.
Your middle tower.
Axe runs.
Your top tower is getting violently heckled.
To the enemy. Good day to fight.
Your middle tower.
Nicotine speeds up your metabolism.
Enemies need killing.
Okay.
Cut and run. Axe charges. Prove yourself.
Your top tower.
Not
Your
so
top
fast.
tower's fallen. Just so
Owie.
there. I'm just trying to.
Rest is for the dead. Axe brings the axe.
Ow.
To battle.
The enemy's bottom tower has fallen.
Not by blade alone. Axe runs. Into war's teeth.
Beep 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 beep.
To the enemy.
Triple attack to my weight increase attempts.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen. What a pity.
Habit, genetic, weather. Yep.
Rest is for the dead. Axe go.
Ow! I think I'll go BKB first. QC, I did what you said, and I waddled in, and I died. Did I do the waddling wrong? Smart. Not a BKB, need a pipe. Okay, let's go for a pipe. Where is that pipe? Also, is anyone else going for a pipe? No, 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 no. Okay. I will go for a pipe then. Let's go here. Farm these camps and the ancients.
Cut and run. Attack. Forward.
Ancients!
Enemies need killing. Good day to fight. Axe trades in death.
I feel like I should be there. But I'm not.
Here comes the axe. Twice the destruction.
I'm not gonna get pinged.
Takes your coin. Axe attacks. Run. Axe charges. Axe run.
It is weird playing an axe with not having a blade mail. That feels very odd.
Rest is for the dead. Take my blade.
Tower is under attack.
A slice of the actor. Not yet. Axe
Just got a casual ogre axe.
axe runs.
But he's stronger. Who's stronger?
Forward. Rest is for the dead. To the enemy. Axe go. And one.
I reflected a whole load of things, but I don't know what I did. Exactly. Seems like I didn't do much at all. I don't think Lotus was a very good choice. I'm gonna mute because I'm gonna get blamed. Whoops.
Middle tower is in the middle of an attack. Your middle tower is under attack.
He is so tanky. It's crazy.
Your top tower is getting violently.
Enemies need killing.
Your top tower is under attack.
Good day to fight. To battle. Prove yourself.
Your top tower is getting
Cut and run. I said good day, sir.
eyes up. Your top tower
Axe
needs
charges.
a hand.
Whoops. Ah.
Radiant's courier has been killed.
Rest is for the dead.
Such terrible things happen to the most adorable creatures.
Good day to fight.
Ka-chung. Assault cuirass can solve your problem. Is it really armor that's the problem? I thought it's just like sheer health. He doesn't have much armor.
To the enemy. Axe charges.
Is she in there?
To battle. Axe goes. Cut and run.
Bibbidi 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 bibbidi.
Axe. Into war's teeth. Forward.
Bibbidi bee 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 bee.
Rest is for the dead.
BKB and then Heart instead of Vanguard?
Axe goes. Axe is not ready. Enemies need killing. Team killing spree.
Whoop.
Into
Dire's
war's
courier
teeth.
has been killed.
Lena can't nuke me anymore. That's true. And it seems like she's going for the caster build-ish.
Cut and run. To battle. Forward. Axe charges. Soldier of fortune. Axe brings the axe. Axe run.
Boing.
But soon, your shot. Radiant's courier just got killed.
spree. I feel cheeky for doing that. Wasn't involved in that at all. But I sure profited.
Your top tower is getting violently heckled.
Ow, wow, 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 wow. That was a very good CM ult. I like that. Whew, 25 souls. Ba-ba, ba, ba-ba, ba.
Top tower is under attack. Looks like radiant structures are now fortified.
Was gone. How did 420 IQ Lotus work out? Dude, you know my IQ, okay? It's not being great. I'm an idiot. And you gave me a lightsaber, okay? An idiot with a lightsaber, not a good idea. He's gonna blow a hole in his own head. That's the real one. What the hell is this? He throws? I think I did reflect on me slash once. But it's hard to tell because of all the madness in the fights. There's so much spellcasting going on. And the CM is very good. Aw, Handy, you gotta blow up my spot. Do you think they see me? I think they see me.
Enemies need killing.
I cancelled her ult, but it's kind of pointless. Finger, go on. Nah. It appears your team is absolutely stomping, sir. I disagree. Let me refer you to the fight that just happened in front of your eyeballs. I'm just checking if anyone misbehaves. Then back here. Lotus counters CM. She can't ice cube as you waddle into battle. Tell me how I should be waddling, because I don't think I'm waddling correctly.
Your top tower was just denied.
I think I'm more like skidding or plopping. Whoop. Lotus doesn't counter the CM ult.
Your middle tower. Middle tower is in the middle of an attack. Middle tower gone because you just eyes up. Your top tower needs a hand.
Good day to fight.
Oh, the CM is on me like a fucking fly. Every time she's on me. Goddamn creeps killed my courier. Ooh, you're gonna get ulted. Yep. Yay. Shadowfiend, he's our man. If he can't do it, no one can. Every other hero on the team kills CM when she ults. Troll, no satanic, it's bad. Yeah, he needs to get rid of his Battle Fury. Go satanic instead. This is good, this is good. This is... It's also good given how fast he attacks. This... There is a butterfly on the map, so this is fine. You don't need this anymore. This is a farming item. Get rid of it. Oh shit. We're dealing with a AA carry now. Whoop. He needs BKB, goddamn. Deep dab, deep dab, deep dab, deep dab, BKB. I did it, I reflected it. Yay, I'm the best. Where's my troll? Down here. Be one with the troll.
Dyer's courier just got killed. It's like that job is dangerous.
I probably should have lotused the troll there, because he was going to live a bit longer. Ah well. You live and you learn. Oh shit. Why didn't he use it? Why didn't he use satanic? Why didn't he use satanic? Pro play. Shadowfiend is all the damage. He is. You're correct. I think my next move is to get rid of the Vanguard and get a heart. QC's favorite item.
The enemy is all over your middle barracks.
Troll has...
Your middle barracks
The problem with Troll is he has very few brains. He's got less brains than me.
from you.
Why is he so scared? Ooh, he should be scared now. He doesn't need my help.
Be in trouble.
Into war's teeth.
Your
Is she still here?
is under attack.
Taste my blade. Take your coin.
Your bottom tower has fallen.
Let's goes. Forward. To battle. Axe spring. Show your worth. Axe.
Where's Troll? Yes, fuck, he's here. No, I don't want to get caught in there. Leave me alone. Oh god.
Your life.
Your top
On my
tower is getting violently heckled. Looks like radiant structures are now fortified.
Axe goes.
This CM man, she is horny for me. She loved me
To battle.
all day long. She's got eyes for nobody else.
Enemies need killing. Into war's teeth.
Oh, I should be pushing. At the very least, taking this back. Oh, I'm almost out of whiskey. It's sad.
Forward. Rest is for the dead.
Ooh, they might challenge this.
Good day to fight.
No, Jug is top. They're just gonna let us have it?
Here comes the axe.
The radiant
To the enemy.
just don't want to be in there when he comes back.
Irish coffee?
Killing.
No, it's just whiskey with a little bit of water. Happens to be in a mug. I'm weird. I drink from a mug.
Wet my blade. Sword to steel. Axe runs. Axe charges.
Boys, where are we going?
Cut and run. Into war's teeth.
Someone was there.
To battle.
It's an illusion, surely.
Good day to fight. Show your
Eesh, the CM wrecks us every time. By the way, I wonder if you're 196 centimeters for that weight of yours. I don't know how many centimeters I am, but I'm about 5'9", 5'10", thereabouts. Oh. See, look at the ogre's armor, right? How is he that tanky? Oh, it'll be the Crimson Guard. There's a problem now. 5'9", yeah. I'm 5 inches tall.
Your middle turrets are under your middle back.
You 5'8".
Radiant have fortified their structures. Dire have fortified their structures.
What's the point in buying back?
Your top barracks have fallen.
What? Why? Guys, come on, do something. I'm dead. GG. I don't know why this arsehole is just standing there.
Did anyone else's gears just hitch? Your ancient is under attack. Victory.
Boy.
Axis defeat.
Boobs. What were Lena's items? She had a left boob and a right boob. It's very effective. Just kidding. She had Boots of Travel, Blink, Wind Waker, Aghanim Scepter, Octarine Core, Lincolns. So 0 damage items, and she still just smashed everyone. Irish water. Irish water. Oh, that's lovely. I love some Irish water. Ugh. How did you fools lose? Very good question, bro. How did we lose there? I think it might have been my fault. Because I think Shadow Fiend and Troll had the damage. I think I was just not tanky enough. Team composition is bad on Dire. Blame Spirit Breaker. They just... I feel like the most effective part of their team was the CM. Every single team fight, she would blink on me with her fucking BKB on and ult. And she had Ags and BKB really quickly. I don't know how she farmed those things so fast. But every single team fight, she would just be on me, ult, BKB, and just wander around the team fight. So they won so many team fights just because of her fucking everything up for us. We like did loads of good ganking, loads of like little skirmishes. But the big 5-on-5 or 4-on-5s, I feel like Crystal Maiden was such a problem. The only non-tanking item you have is Blink. Ogre and CM kept rooting and stunning you. Guess what hero interrupts BKB ult? Yeah, but he never did. I was the only one who ever interrupted her. And I only managed to do that once. Oh, fork. I meant to pick a carry. Check anyone who's buying dust. Is there any in your team? Spirit Breaker was buying dust.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining.
Ugh.
Your turn to pick.
She kept vanishing during her ultimate. Yeah, that's true. Shadow Demon and Lion.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining.
I don't know what to do. Ursa in the offlane. Why not? Am I gonna get reported? Probably. They've got a very kitey team. I think I'm gonna be kited a lot in this game and I'm gonna get very annoyed. Barad was Bablu. CK may be nice. CK could have been a nice pick actually, yeah. Don't know why I didn't think of him. Going BKB on CM in a game like that was incredibly optimistic. It was, but it worked. She was a baller. Shot caller. Ursa makes a lot of sense. Well, you're just happy anytime I pick a non-big fat guy. Ursa is a big fat guy in disguise, though. PA is gonna suffer in lane. Can I get an Echo Saber? I feel like I want to get a Harpoon. Is that a terrible choice? I feel like a Harpoon is a brilliant choice. Am I talking to myself? Nah, I'm not talking to myself. How is Ursa not a tank, sir? Ursa is a tank. That's what I'm saying. He's an agi hero. But he's a tank. You want to tank him up because he gets all of his damage from his abilities, really. You don't need to get damage items. You need to tank up, move speed, attack speed. It's a silly item. Harpoon a silly item on Ursa. One of the most kiteable heroes in the game. Plus, you smack him twice with the Echo. Oh, you're dead. You are so dead. Oh, I'm an idiot. Oh, I picked the wrong freaking spell. I meant to pick Fury Swipes. I picked goddamn Overpower. Why not go Harpoon? I like this Barad was Bablu. What does double attack do for Ursa? Do you know how Fury Swipes works? What do you mean, what does double attack do?
them. Yes.
Radiant's courier has been
Don't you touch me, you dirty anti-mage.
Go to. Yes.
Oh, okay.
The foe.
No, my mana. I need that for killing. Goddamn panty mage.
Against all
Ah, 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 ah! Hoodwink! 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 What? What?
fears thy reckoning.
I thought she was here. Why was she suddenly here? I'm so terrible.
Right. Join.
What was that? Don't you dare start fucking around, you arsehole. I'm not in a good mood. Jeez, I'm gonna have no— What? Do you see what I mean about being depressed playing this game? Like, what is this? What did he just do? Did he pull for the enemy team? Yes, he did.
See our teeth. I nearly cuffed you. Intellect.
How does he see me there? Do you know how overpower works? Yes?
Seek the foe. Who calls me? Yes.
Man, this lion is annoying. See, when I've got phase boots, lion, your bumhole is mine.
but watch out.
I'm under attack. Fall upon them.
If you care about mobility, get a Yasha.
Your middle tower is under
Maybe I will.
Come near.
Oh god, I wish he would stop doing that.
Fangs bared.
People think it's harmless, like, I'll just take one here, but it adds up, because they take one here and one there. Then before you know it, they've taken a wave.
Yes. Fiercely now.
Oh, he knows. Oh!
Against all strife. Who
If I get hit by a stun and a combo again, nope. That was a bit eager.
Your blood is mine. Double kill. Tracks of intruders.
Oh no, I misskilled. I meant to take the earth shock. Balls. Why Battle Fury if you're off lane? Very good point. Yep. Should I get something else? First helpful thing that the hoodwink has done. Why is she just standing there?
Set upon them.
We could have had him.
Let them see our teeth.
I'm gonna get the wisdom. Screw you. The whole team needs farm. Shadow Fiend, PA. Yeah, you make a good point. So I think I need Blink instead of Battle Fury.
Set upon them.
Although Battle Fury is nice for the old regen.
Spree. We will. I'm under attack.
Don't you dare.
Seek the foe.
Nah, I'm dead.
Swarms over.
Blink, Diffusion, Sanjin Yasha, BKB.
Killing spree.
Okay, let's see. Blink. Diffusal. Where's that? I'm so blind. Oh, there it is. Sanjin Yasha. BKB.
Go to.
I'm gonna die again. He's gonna finger me.
Yes.
Well, I officially lost the lane because I'm a retard.
The enemy is near.
Yep, there it is. And as always happens, my support has just gone somewhere else for some reason. This is why I need to play a different game.
This should make my life easier.
Yes. Go to.
Do 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 do.
Yes.
Ow.
Yes.
Come on, bounty hunter. Like he either should have stayed invisible or commit, but he did like half of each. Handy. Yeah. Oh look, my support has come back suddenly. I genuinely didn't think you would have it up that quickly. I thought I still had a good 20 seconds on it. Boy, your name is similar to Spiritbreaker. Barstrom. Run through the trees, squirrel! Score is 520, guys. 520. Don't fight, you need experience. Goodwink's gonna feed.
Your top tower has fallen. Out for the cubs. Your top tower is under attack. Interloper.
What you're saying makes a lot of sense. Barra. I'm just gonna call you Barra. Holy crap, my team did something. Because we're not going Battle Fury, we can't die more. Had hard to farm and come back.
Your middle tower is under attack. Your middle tower has fallen. Thanks, Baird.
They're gonna come this way for me, I think.
Who calls me? Sit upon them. Yes. Your top tower is under attack. Enough mana. We fight as one.
Come on, you wee panty mage.
The enemy is near. Set upon them.
Come on, try again. Come on. Oh no, he's pussied out.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Bye, mana regen.
Tower is under attack. Tracks of intruders. Killing spree. No, 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 no. Your middle tower is under attack. You may want to take care of that.
But clarity takes so long.
Yes.
I think the game is lost though. Because it's 8:25. We have a level 8 PA. Oh, she got a Battle Fury. Look at all this space she has to farm in.
Take heed.
Not the real one. It is. Ooh, save her. Never mind.
The enemy is near.
Go lane XP. Which lane? The one with the carry in it I can't kill, or the one with the carry in it that I can't kill? Should we do something? Oh, PA got something. This is almost looking like a slightly successful team fight. Never mind, I spoke too soon. My bad.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Your bottom tower is under attack. Not good. Not good at all. Your bottom tower is under attack. Oh my heavens. This is dreadful. Your bottom tower is under attack. Hold on your hats.
Sir, when creeps near tower, go there for experience. If anti-mage there, you stay far within XP range. If not, you farm the camps. Mm. Can we kill the ogre?
Bottom tower is under attack. Your bottom
Nope.
tower has fallen.
Anyone coming with me? No, I'm alone.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Ogre's just warded there. Yikes! Maybe I should deward it. Get some gold at least.
Your top tower is under attack.
Your blood is mine. Right. Join with me.
Auto correction. Team. I didn't initiate for fun. What the fuck? Did you see that? The sniper and the ogre are here. I start going on the ogre because I feel like he's a bit of a problem. The Shadow Fiend is here with his blink. He walks to here and then just dies. I don't know what to do anymore. I feel like I've lost hope.
May I suggest caution?
Set upon them.
I'm just gonna go up in this lane. The game is over, I think. I'm just gonna be one of those little bitches who doesn't contribute.
Your bottom barracks have fallen.
Attack. Fiercely now.
Anti-mage is coming for me. we kill this guy? Well done. Yep. I mean, at least he came with me that time.
Killing spree!
Your middle barracks are under attack. Your middle barracks have fallen. Yikes! Your middle barracks have fallen. I'm sure something terrible about that.
Come near. We fight as one. Killing spree!
Your top tower is under attack. Your top tower has fallen.
My whole team is just giving up.
Yes.
So I'm gonna give up.
Sensors have
Bum,
picked
bum,
up
bum, bum,
something
bum.
quite concerning. The enemy now has mega creeps.
Where are you from? Barra. Right now I'm living in Scotland. Dundee.
Your middle tower has fallen.
Are they gonna do something? They're gonna try something?
Your middle tower has fallen. Ah well.
Yay.
Your agent is under attack.
Defeated!
Map. I'm in Druidland, the sage of all sage. Oh, hang on. Wait, no. Right. I think I'm sick of the way I'm playing right now. It's not working. I need to switch it up. I'm trying to think what other role is gonna grind on me the least. I think any other role would be fine. If I'm hard support, I'll go Witch Doctor or Shaman. If I'm support, I'll go Witch Doctor or Shaman. If I'm mid, I'll go Sniper or Silencer or Hoodwink or something. Or Pudge. If I'm support, I might go Pudge. Safe lane, I go Void. Although safe lane just never comes up because it's such high demand. I think I'd be less annoyed if I get one of those. My mid description split pusher. What's my mid description? How do I see that? Nope. I played Jakiro Lita. You seem like a very good player, Handy. I don't know how you have time to play. Harun Bakla 1364. Pudge support is the best option. What items would you get on Pudge support? Oh lol, you famous. Me famous. So many people watch you. People who need something better to do. Where is it? Add showcase item widget. You talked about my mid description split pusher. Does this help? Mostly I'm versatile. So I guess I play a lot of different heroes. I like fighting, pushing, and farming. Weird that I don't support that much. I feel like I support a lot. Anyway. Tranquils and then blink, maybe a vessel. I play what most team lacks, objectives. Do you play Lone Druid then, Handy? Because a Lone Druid can solo a game, to be honest. I'm a support! Let's try a Pudge support. Am I gonna get it? No, it's banned. Let's go... Shaman? Or Witch Doctor? I like Witch Doctor. Witch Doctor! People love farming, ganking, killing, but to win Dota, you destroy tower. Yes, you are correct. Theoretically, to win Dota, you destroy the towers. Usually, if it's an interesting game, the enemy team will try to stop you from destroying their towers. And ultimately, that falls down to who has more money, really. Who farmed more before you clash with them. Good luck with Witch Doctor. Thank you, Harun Bakla 1364. I prefer hybrid heroes. I'm gonna stand for this game because I've just been sitting. Ah. Yeah. Let me put this kettle on the boil again. Oh, my back. Yeah. Oh. Hybrid heroes. Chikiro is fun because he can do so much. Shaman's also really fun because he can push really effectively. 7 wins in a row as Witch Doctor. Absolutely jinxed. Do 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 do. The bag didn't even exist. His third and fourth skills are free. So the ice breath and the fire breath, right? And they destroy the tower. Yeah, because the fire breath, well, the fire attack slows their attack speed, which means the tower can't defend itself from the creep waves nearly as effectively. I'm really hoping my baby doesn't wake up. Because if she well, great job. If she wakes up, then I have to go and look after her, and I will abandon any match that I'm in when that happens. So I'm hoping she does not wake up, because I do not want to get more abandons. So that'll send me into low prio, tank my communication score or behavior score even further. Which I do not want. There's a void! If I'd got carry, I would have played void. Wait, I'm position 4. My bad, I'll go over here. So if he ults, if he soulbinds, I'd wait for a soulbind before I send a cask, because that is so funny. Like 4 casks, not 4 casks, 2 casks bouncing around. That make a big mess. No, skill 3 is structured target. Whoa, whoops, I was just defaulting to, you know. Okay, excellent. That has spawned. I need to get into my support mode. Support mode, initiate. Ah! Don't touch me, Pugna! Don't let them see the grapes! Don't let them! Oh, you arsehole! Oh, partial pull is better than none. Why isn't this? There we go. I'm pretty sure you saw that. Oh, Pugna, you scumbag. He's a rich void. He got football chrono. Does he? Please. What's happening right now? How did that not bounce back? What the hell? Get off me. What is life? He's got football chrono, his weapon. Oh yeah. No worries, bro. I've got you. Yeah. Some part of me wants to be a totally useless support just to spite all the people who are useless at supporting me. But I won't do it. So I see where the creep equilibrium is. It's pushing out, so I'm pulling to pull it back. See. Ooh, we could have killed that Pugna. Oh, if I had more mana. I've been healing this guy. Okay, the bull was too much. My bad. Sorry, Nature's Prophet. Meh. Buh. He's desolating me. There we go. I don't have enough for combo. Not today. Still don't have enough for combo. Nice. I had to choose there between Maledict and Stun. I made the right choice. He might have died anyway. Feel like it's pushing out. Is this blocked? He wants us to push now. Okay. Ah. I'm dead. I didn't want to use the Lotus, but I thought I might survive. No! Sleep time. Bye, Bara. Thanks for the company. You seem cool. Hope you have a good day tomorrow, whatever you're doing.
Radiant have fortified their towers. Dyer's courier in allowing evil into its heart. Let its death be a lesson to us all.
Ow.
If I'd like not to lose my top tower as a thought you ever had, I suggest you get over there right away. On my round. By my bulls.
I'm trying to stay near him so we don't get desolate damage. Oh!
Top tower under siege.
Pew, pew, pew.
Your top tower is under attack. A twisted path. Top tower under siege. By my bulls.
Okay.
The seeds of fortune.
Don't know why my guy is gone. Oh, they didn't take this. Sweet. I'm a higher level than the carry now. For some reason, I am now solo bot.
Very fine.
Ow.
With him and vigor. What a pity. You never got your turn. Forward. Okay. A twisted path. On my round. With vim and vigor.
I messed up that whole thing.
Forward.
Ow. Good night, Bada. Hendy, he's still moderating for Willy Bum, which is the funniest name a streamer can have. Almost killed Pugner. Yeah, he stepped into the range for like 2 seconds. That was a very lazy combo by me. I should have set it up better. Yeah. I don't know why I'm here alone.
Very fine.
I don't think Witch Doctor is a good offlaner. Ow.
By my bones. Mid tower taking damage.
That was a terrible TP.
Radiant sure are loving those invulnerable towers. Vim and vigor.
My bad. Nice. Well, all of this is terrible. Just scolded one person, insisting her to buy a few specific items. Just asked to chill. Chill. She'll buy stuff. And you can just watch her boobs anyway.
By my bones. Dark initiation. And leave a purulent corpse.
Kill. Kill. Sorry.
He's about to pop.
Meh.
Forward. Very fine.
I didn't block it. I'm cool.
Yes, indeed.
I didn't share my mana boots. I'm not cool anymore. Should I wear something that's revealing? Some low cut top. Reveal my cleavage. My cleavage. I'm just gonna follow this guy. Let's get fucking kills, bro. Let's do it. Why being a little bitch? Run! That's a scary.
Time is money.
Let's go, bro. Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna kill him. It's gonna be great.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Why did you leave me? Ah, no, I missed his. I missed his courier. No, I wanted to. Ah, can I get her? Can I get her? No.
Mid tower taking damage.
Ah! I missed him. I love bad manners. It's great. It's a scary. Did we win that stuff? I mean, I know I got slightly distracted by a courier. But was it good? Did we do good?
Your middle tower is under attack.
He did have a really cool looking chrono. That was pretty cool. My bad. Goddamn Pugna. Killed myself on his ward. Where is it? Yeah. Nether ward. 500 damage. So annoying. How much, like the multiplier on that? What is it? The nether ward. Sheesh. Everything's on cooldown. I guess I'll get a dust. What was that? Illusion? What are you doing? Ah! Ah! Have mercy! Nah.
Very fine.
I didn't have any mana because I never turned off the goddamn healing. Pause 3, Doctor. Yeah, boy. Nah, I'm pause 4. But I'm pretty much pause 1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
Mid tower taking damage.
Hey, you son of a bitch.
Your middle tower has been eliminated. Very fine.
Very fine.
On my round. The spell is cast.
And boink.
Forward.
What do we do now?
Good, yeah. By my bones. Mid
He
tower
blocked
taking
it.
damage.
Oh, sad.
Yes.
Do you have detection? He's got dusts.
With vim and vigor. I'm under attack. Here I come.
Where'd he go?
Yes, indeed.
He's a magical weaver. He disappeared. Nope. He went absolutely off the map. Tormentor?
Very fine.
Get back here, Grimstroke. Ah.
Your top tower is under attack. Good, yeah.
Pause 3, Doctor.
Oh, look at it go with vim and vigor. By my
Where was he? Oh, he's down here.
bottom tower being attacked. Your bottom tower is in ruins. Forward. Ready for your dose. Yes, indeed. Here I come.
Garbage ward.
Yes, indeed.
Oh! Good lord. That was a fucking sweet slam.
Radiant's towers are fortified. Do as you please with that.
I love that slam. That was brilliant. Witch Doctor. Kauzaya, long time no see. How's the McFlurry? Your flavorless McFlurry. Your ice cream free, Oreo free McFlurry. Oh, what is this guy's TPing? It's terrible. Well done. He's he got it. He got the job done somehow. The Shaker's doing awesome stuff. I'm a fan of his work. Do 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 do. Ah, Spectre.
Very fine.
Ain't paying $2 for no Oreo. $2. I do like 0 damage with my right clicks.
What? Yeah. For what?
Hmm. Problem? I can't get there. I am coming. What is he doing? Oh! My bad. Did I get him? I did. Kill steal. Oh, that was terrible.
On my round.
I screwed up quite bad there. I'm not too proud to admit it. I'm paying $2 for a Oreo. Ain't paying a Loch Ness Monster $3.50. Ah, no Loch Ness Monster, no $3.50. Ooh, Loch Ness Monster McFlurry. I could just consume this and then I'll have an Aghanims. Should I do that? Let's do that. Oh, I'm dead. I guess I cannot eat when I'm dead. Well. Mm, 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 mm. Even more GPM. Give it to me.
With vim and vigor.
Did he see me?
Under siege.
Oh, I'm so tired.
By my bones.
Clonk.
What? Yeah.
Ooh. I killed the Earth Spirit. I should have switcherooed. Oh, yours almost. It's amazing how close things are sometimes in Dota. Like just a millisecond, and you would. It's the difference between life and death. Incroyable. C'est magnifique.
Your top tower is under attack. Dire have fortified their towers. Radiant, having unfortified structures, is now top tower under siege.
Stop it! That's our tower.
Your
Is he carrying on? Pushing some more?
Very fine. Look at it go. Oh, metal.
Handy! Am I gonna die if I go up here?
For my coffers.
Oh yeah! Does she know I'm here? Necro is feeding.
On my right. Your middle tower is under attack.
Alright. Guess we won't kill the Spectre. Dota buff all green! You did great! Hey! You got a great attitude, Handy.
Very fine.
Dude. Please don't make me die. He's gonna try and make me die. Did we both just cape him? Yes, we did.
A twisted path.
Team killing spree.
With vim and vigor. All's well.
What are you doing, you nutcase? Uh,
Clack your bones. Your middle tower is under attack.
he's so lucky that that Earthshaker jumped in. GG ult.
A wicked display of skill.
Yes.
What? Why is he pinging here?
Vigor. Very fine. By my bones. A twisted path.
As foretold.
All's well.
He doesn't have a football right now.
Yes, indeed. Yes. On my right.
That's true domination. Your chronology ends.
Not yet.
Look at me being a good guy going for a heal.
Mid
Huh?
tower taking damage.
Huh?
Very fine.
Hmm.
Bottom tower being attacked. Won't hurt a bit.
Oh, I cancelled the TP. I'm an idiot. Grimstroke thought I was actually committing to the TP, so I mean, understandably. Why am I so bad? The Weaver is here. I think I did what I needed to there. That is unfortunate. At least all the lanes are pushed out. But that should be at least one lane for them if they can push. Can they push fast enough? Don't fortify that. Don't fortify. Don't fortify. Don't fortify. Good boys.
Dire structures are fortified. One's middle tower being attacked truly does send such a rapturous flowing through one's veins. Your middle tower is under attack.
They will probably get one lane from this. Maybe two. This Shaker has been winning the game for them, to be honest.
Look at how not there anymore. The middle barracks is the left. Eva coming on. They've swept their top tower right from under you. Here I come. On my round. With vim and vigor. Very fine.
What is happening?
Inconceivable. Amazing times two. Domination times twice the destruction.
See what I mean about the Shaker? He's just smashing us to pieces.
Dire have duct-taped cardboard all over their structures. Radiant's
I keep forgetting that Echo Slam is a thing, and I'm just standing there like an absolute pigeon.
having a top tower was not a part of your strategy. Your bottom tower is under attack. No,
Ah,
it's dead.
this game was a bit more fun, but still depressing.
Your bottom barracks are under attack. Tell me what, I'll be giving the enemy negatives. Wait, is that right? Did I? Just a second. I need to look over the strategy guide again.
What the Necro say? Necro say a bunch of just toxic garbage.
Enemies are ravaging your middle tower, and it's your ancient is under siege.
Five times the mega.
Your ancient is taking damage. An impressive
That Shaker did play so well. If it wasn't for that shaker, we would have wrapped that up, no problem. But his slams were on point every single team fight. Just beautiful slams. So well played to him. Yep, MVP. Definite. Alright, one more game, I think, before I kill myself. Tired. Sound like a song. What did the necro say? Yip 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 yip. Let's go downtown. For the last game of the evening. It's... Jeez, dogs have drank all your water already. I feel like I just topped this up 2 minutes ago. It's time! What did the necro say? Burp, 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 burp. I finished all this, didn't I? Oh, I got one of these dubers. I am the fool. The reroll. Do 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 do. I thought I already set these. Is it bugged? Oh, there's something. Yeah, that's my choices, I think. Alright. Bug bung bung. 85th percentile. Oh, please. Yip, 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 yip. And hard support. What should I play this time?
5 seconds remaining.
Warlock, Lich, Disruptor. Disruptor. Harun Bakla! I missed the Witch Doctor game. Pudge Band again. Zeus. Lancer. Lancer 5. QC, you are scum of the earth. Zeus, says Harun. I don't like Zeus as a pos 5. He doesn't have any utility. Except for a slight slow and a mini stun. Can't really babysit your carry with that. Should I have gone pos 5 sniper? Maybe. But here we are. Storms are coming. My dog is licking my foot. Would you just knock that off, please? Ooh. Last match as a disruptor was a win. Oh, you missed the Witch Doctor game, Harun. The Witch Doctor game, I feel like I played pretty well, but it was a loss, unfortunately. The enemy Earthshaker was just... He was just... His slams were masterpieces. Whenever it seemed like we were winning a fight, a slam would come in. You'd be like, oh yeah, there's a shaker. And it would turn around. Dire going for the no carry strategy. Kez, people play Kez as a carry. I've even seen Tidehunter played as a carry. Lol, you'll make this time, I hope. Thank you, Harun. I hope as well. Frankly, their team was better. There's a few different ways I could interpret that. For all the different ways I could interpret that, I will simply agree. Yes, they were better. Better, stronger, faster. Do 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 ba 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 beep beep beep. Vroom.
The battle begins! The forecast calls for blood. Come now,
Come now.
I'll ride you down. From upland druid I rise.
I'm gonna go 1 point in Thunderstrike, then 2 in, well, probably 1-1-1, and then Max Glimpse.
Striker runs. That way. Thunderclap. Stand aside.
What is wrong with Slark? He's mentally deficient. This is gonna be a hard game.
Striker runs.
What is he doing?
Come now. I'm under attack.
I'm blocking him. I'm killing him. What am I doing?
Advance. From upland druid I rise. Rampant.
Eels game.
Druid I rise.
QC, last time I took your item advice, I lost terribly. I'm gonna ignore your item advice.
Rolling thunder.
I've got a Slark. Glimpse is always useful.
I grew craftier. Faster.
The battle is
I was gonna glimpse him. He doesn't like my sick right-click damage, does he? Nah. Ow.
Foul creature. Beware the clouds. Striker runs.
Come on, pounce him. Yes. There we go. See? Glimpse isn't strong. You've been out the game too long, QC. Bye, Tide.
Advance.
I'm being a real penis. I was gonna pull, but then I realized they're pushing in, so pulling would be nuts.
Yes. Not ready. Rolling thunder.
Minute 3 pull. You think so? It's still pushing in. They got 3 creeps to our 2.
With a cult craft.
Think I should pull? Well, it's too late. I'm pulling. Partial pull. That's nice.
With all my craft. Yes. From upland Druid I ride. That way.
Ah!
Method to my madness. Rampant.
They didn't block it.
Attack.
Okay. He's got a bracer now. Now he's serious. Oh, Slark, no, bro. Ooh, he did have a wand.
Striker runs. The system
Alright. I guess I'm not gonna do that. Ugh.
Amazing times two.
Oh no!
like axe. The dire structures cannot be unscrewed. Come now. Stricken.
Stack it!
Fleet of foot.
I'm so good.
Faster.
They hate me so much.
Enemy has a bone to pick with your middle
I got the kills. Slark's gonna hate me. Yeah, you're probably right.
I grow in power. Your middle tower is under attack. End in.
Oh,
Immediate result. Striker runs.
careful, Slark. If Slark had more health, then I could be doing things here, but he has very little health.
With all my craft. Yes. Striker runs. Thunder rolls. This levels the field. I'm under attack. Rolling thunder.
Ah!
Storming in.
Oh boy.
Yes.
Ooh! That was well played by them. The CM is bad.
That's teamwork in action.
I was just casting spells because they were free, pretty much. I probably shouldn't have pulled there. Jeez, I'm being raped by these.
Whoa, nice! Оце потужно!
Ah, my bad. Did I take farm from him? Yes. Am I a scumbag? Yes.
The enemy has a bone to pick with your middle tower.
Rip Slark. Oh god! Don't you dare Nova me, you dirty whore. Ah! I feel like I'm killing the Slark. Is that right? I can see you, you dumbass. Slark's going to the woods. He's seen enough. I'm terrible. Well, one day I will not be terrible. It is not that day. Slark is not muted, but he might have a low communication score. I'm guessing he probably does.
Оце потужно!
Ah! Why is he buying oh, he's griefing, isn't he? This is griefing, that's what this is.
Your structures are fortified. The enemy killed.
You're gonna win anyhow.
That is dedication.
QC very confident. Yeah.
Striker runs. Rolling thunder. Axe is glad that your bottom tower is not Axe's problem.
Ah!
Your middle tower is under attack. Dire structures. Radiant dares to heap upon it.
Maybe use glimpse where your team is strong.
Your middle tower is under attack.
I'll take that.
Ooh, Tidehunter is being very careful now. Ah, boy.
To the frozen waste.
What was that?
Вау, найс! Оце потужно!
You will make a nice
Was
From upland Druid I ride.
The enemy has a bone to pick with your middle tower.
Come now. Back you go. Barrier. Lead of foot.
no, you don't wanna hit him. All right.
Advance.
I can only serve up enemy players on a plate so much, I guess.
Rolling thunder. Double damage empowers me.
Took the ravage.
Thunderclap. It was your own damn.
That was a nice a little Rubik play there. Very nice. It was your own damn fault.
Come now.
The enemy's bottom tower has fallen.
Druid I ride.
Axe lives.
Riding high. Rampant.
Should I go refresher?
Fleet of foot. Striker runs. From upland Druid I ride.
Oh, you couldn't just chill, Rubik. To scare him away.
Foul creature.
Foul creature.
Yes. Rolling thunder. Fleet of foot.
Doesn't seem good.
So it goes. Striker runs.
Ugh.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Radiant's towers are fortified, just like Axe.
Come now.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen. Your bottom tower is under attack. Axe has seen ruins that look better than your bottom tower.
Maybe if I just play on the opposite ether lens, yay! Oh no, I'm getting an item that QC approves of. What has become of me?
Your top tower is under attack.
The system adapts. Faster. Come now.
Axe is glad that your bottom tower is not Axe's problem.
Come on, guys, you can kill a shaker. How is he so fast? No phase.
Rampant. Go. Advance. Rolling thunder. That way. The rune of illusion.
The Rune of Illusion. Easy defensive game. +2 expensive. I was kind of joking about the refresher. Kind of. Part of me just wants to get it there.
That way. Immediate result. Faster.
Oh, I should have gone cost range.
Attack.
Oops.
Advance. Striker runs.
Whoosh! Mid is warded. Is it? You mean on their side?
Fleet of foot. Rampant.
Clonk! That's pretty cool. See all the creeps go, eh!
Yes. I'm ecstatic. Go.
Yes, come on, Kez.
Escape. I'm having ecstatic snow.
Oh, the freaking... What is that called? What is it called when he hits you and it does like extra damage? His damage over time thing. I died to that. So embarrassing.
Striker runs.
Yeah, I'm gonna be the guy.
Rune of double damage. Rolling thunder. Come now.
Come on, Amber, are you gonna do something with that?
Faster.
Nope, he's not.
Thunder roll. From upland brood I rise.
Don't touch me. Dirty little bird man.
That way. What weathermancery is this? Go. I'm ecstatic. Fleet of foot.
Did he think he was gonna kill me? I guess so.
Rolling thunder.
I've got a lens, I've got a billion-yard glimpse. Can we kill people, please?
Advance.
Otherwise QC is gonna be right. I hate it when QC is right.
Striker runs. Fleet of foot. That way.
More movement speed. Whee! Nice play by him.
Faster.
By who? By Rubik or by Kez?
Roll.
Oops.
Yes.
Smoke.
Come now. Rampant.
Smoke, smoke, smoke that cigarette.
Rolling thunder.
Doesn't seem like anyone's interested in killing.
That way.
I can't exactly go on the offensive because I am a squishy.
Advance. Faster.
Kill him! Hit him! Kill him more! Ah, God. Is it just me? Am I the mental one? It must be. Think I should go Glimmer instead of this stuff. What do you think, Haroon? What items should I get? Oh.
Striker runs. Yes. Rampant. All mine. Fleet of foot.
Tide? Let's go get Tide. Yeah.
No escape. Thunderclap. I'm under attack. Striker runs.
Spree. 2 heads. 0 inside.
This'll give you static.
Ow! Bah! You're on different targets, guys. It worked, but it shouldn't have. Oh. Not a disruptor player, complicated hero.
Come now.
I guess.
Rolling thunder. Go. Faster. Advance. Go. Advance. Yes. Rampant. With a cold craft. Striker runs. That way. Rolling thunder. Faster. Back you go. Fleet of foot.
Slark, get out! Get out!
Come now.
How's he still here? How's he not dead?
Beware the clouds.
Okay. Kez is not here anymore. Why?
Go. Stricken.
Stricken!
That way. Rampant.
I probably would have died if I'd glimpsed him there.
Rolling thunder. Method to my madness.
I already had the sentry down, bro.
Yes.
Cost range.
That way.
Whoa, nice! Оце потужно!
Rolling thunder. Rampant. Come now.
It's a scary shaker.
Faster. Fleet of foot. Barrier up. Stand aside.
That looked easy.
Striker runs.
Now I go for the Aghanims.
With all my craft. Come
The
now.
enemy's top tower has capitulated to superior force.
Advance.
Axe brought his thesaurus. Ha ha!
Rampant.
Look at the range on that glimpse. Absolutely insane. You can see it on the minimap. GG, looks like you got this game. I wouldn't be so sure. Did you not see the game before this? Seemed like we had it wrapped up, and then
Knowledge is found. Fleet of foot. Faster. Rolling thunder. Rampant. Advance. Come now. Fleet of foot. Deja vu. Barrier up. Go. That way.
Team killing spree!
ow! Ooh, the Slark's actually doing pretty sweet stuff now. He could turn. He could definitely turn. Tides alone. Yep. Let death become peace.
Just try me. Striker runs.
Bleibing static.
Dire structures are fortified.
Yes.
Super fortified. Like you can't even imagine.
Striker runs. Come now.
The enemy's middle tower has surrendered to gravity.
Fleet of foot.
There's an invisible shaker here somewhere.
Rampant.
Uh, ah.
Advance. Rolling thunder. Faster. Go.
That's teamwork in action.
You broke the enemy's bottom tower. That's approves.
A little bit of help needed there, Slark.
From upland Druid I ride. Faster. That way. Glimpse. Barrier. Fleet of foot.
Map. I remember one of your videos, you had Claude running in the background. How's it going with your project? Still working on it. I am actually. I've run out of the usage limit right now, so he's not running right now.
Striker runs.
But yeah, I've got.
Rampant.
So right now this stream is running through my project. So the name of the project is TurboCast, and I want it to be
Beware the clouds. Glimpse. Barrier.
a
I ride.
ah.
Display of skill. Amazing times two.
Okay. Yeah, so it's like a multi-streaming content creator platform. And it's got the feature I'm working on at the moment is automatic clipping. So when an exciting thing is happening during a stream, the system will automatically recognize that, create a little clip, and then you can post that to wherever you want, or you can automate the posting as well. Very long term, I want to target agencies with this platform. Agencies that manage many content creators, like ad agencies, things like that. But short term, I'm targeting individual streamers like myself, because I just want to get the quality of the streaming and the clipping and those workflows up to scratch. Then I'll move on to what I think will be the part of this platform that actually makes money, which will be the agencies.
Thunder approaches.
So that's how it's going. And to bootstrap the money for the business, ah, ah. To bootstrap the money for the business, I'm doing like web development as well. So there's a local gardening company up here. I happen to know the owner. He has a load of business processes that are like a bunch of spreadsheets. And I was like, I can turn all of that into an app and it'll be much less chaotic. And I can automate a bunch of it as well. And he was like, please do. So he's paying me to do that. And that work is so simple that it's like 100% profit. And I just take that profit and I use that to fund the multi-streaming platform side of the business. And it's going okay so far. Slowly but surely. I'd like to go faster, but I can't afford more AI. I'm already at max. The max 20 plan. The next thing I should do is buy more Claude or more Anthropic accounts if I want to go faster. But I think I need some paying users on the platform first to justify that extra account. Because right now the gardening company work pays for the Claude. To get another Claude, I need another income source, which I could find another business to do some more app development for, or I could try and get the platform bootstrapping itself, which feels better. Thanks for the explanation. Got it. I saw a similar app advert on YouTube. You can search if someone clipped you during a stream. Have you tried Codex? Yeah, I've got a Codex subscription as well. I jumped into that. It's really cheap. Weekly limit is more than enough. So I've got a pretty sophisticated agent harness for the project. Um, sorry, just imagining I'm gonna be helpful here.
I'm having a field day. The enemy's middle tower has surrendered to gravity. What resonance is this? The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
But yeah, I've got Codex, so my harness, it's very complicated. I wasn't really trying to survive there. Like, the game is won. So I'm using essentially spec-driven development, but a bespoke version of it, particular to my platform, my project. Explain harness. So I think you're a data scientist, aren't you, Kazuya? The data scientists don't like the word harness, understandably, because when you're a data scientist, you understand all the, like, the way models are built and trained and shipped and the tool uses and the capabilities and everything. And harness is just too amorphous a term to be useful. So people are like, yeah, harness, what does that even mean? But for me, if you imagine an LLM, an agent, as like a mechanic, the harness is his tool shop. What tools has he got available for him? How is the workshop laid out? Is it a nice environment for him to work in? How easy it is for cars to come in and get hooked up and for him to get the work done that he needs to do. All of that environment around the mechanic, I would say the mechanic is the agent, all the other stuff, that's the harness. And I feel like that's a pretty good analogy. And it saves me from having pedantic arguments with data scientists. So yeah, the one that I've developed for TurboCast, it's taken, where are we now, 2026? It's taken about 2 years to develop this harness. And I started it when was that? Claude Sonnet 2.0 3, maybe? Back in that model era. I remember Claude Sonnet 2.7 felt like. I remember when 2.7 came out, it felt like this is it. LLMs, agents have solved coding, we'll never have to do it again. And that was like 2 years-ish ago. And from that moment, I stopped programming and just started focusing on learning how to harness and leverage these agents to do the work for me in a reproducible, secure, reliable, robust, resilient, high quality fashion. And I've never written a line of code in the entire TurboCast system. It's entirely agent driven. Everything in there. And it's a pretty complex monorepo. It's got 4. The CI/CD has static analysis. It's got unit tests, integration tests, acceptance tests. It's got tests that lint the AI harness itself. Like it's got release train. It's got deploy gates. It's got the CI/CD is beautiful, and it's all agent built, and it's built up from layer by layer by layer. I've ended up with this beautiful harness, which I should make a video on one day, because I feel like it's pretty good, at least for what I'm doing. But yeah, it's turned into essentially spec-driven development. So I have various funnels for capturing work that I want to do into the product management layer of the harness, and those end up being called like share repo. I would like to share the harness. I can't find a good way of doing that because I don't want to have to I don't want to negatively impact my development. But I do need to open source this harness because it's pretty effective. Plus it's very efficient. I get through like 11 specs a day at the moment at last measurement. Oh, it's always everything about the harness. It's always measuring itself and tracking things, and then there's a certain cycle point through the spec-driven development where it will check the measurements, find flaws in the harness, like generally speaking, when we're writing Elixir tests, so in this area of the system, they tend to fail or they tend to be flaky. This is a problem, so I'll correct this skill with this certain bit of context, whatever. So it's always keeping an eye on itself as it's going, self-improving, which I think is a pretty common thing these days. And then specs will move through various. So yeah, you have various ways of capturing like signals to shape the product. So it could be user feedback from user testing, could be just a random idea that I've had, could be a debug session on like a prod bug. And then those get turned into signals, and then those get scored against the current backlog and turned into an actual backlog item, which is then later fleshed out into what I'm calling an unrefined spec, and then that gets turned into a refined spec by doing like competitor intelligence analysis, checking the open source community to see if problems are being solved already, things like that. And looking for conventions in the code base, that turns into a refined spec. And then it's planned in like absolute detail for this particular repo, assuming all the requirements and constraints have been properly identified in the refining stages of the spec. Then it's actually implemented. That's an in progress spec. Then once it's done, it's turned into an unfinalized spec. Then it's like adversarially reviewed for security and efficiency and all this stuff. testability, correctness, UI bugs, being viewable on mobile as well as desktop, iPad, whatever. Then regression tests, things like that. And then it goes into the release train. Every hour the system is deployed to production, and whatever specs have been merged in just get deployed on the next release train. And then it's considered a finalized spec, and all the units of work go through this entire flow. Depending on the size of the spec, it might be grouped together with a bunch of other changes, because that's quite an intense workflow, so you don't want to do it for like a little CSS change or something. So stuff gets bundled together to maximize for correctness according to the capability of the model that are going to be handling it, because to avoid things like context rot and context poisoning and things like this. So you don't want to take on too much, but you also don't want to leave money on the table. If you can fit more work into a spec because the models are capable of it, then you're going to fit more work to do in there. And so these days, all I do is I open up Claude Code and I have a command called deliver the backlog, and that's literally what I run. And then everything flows after that, and it's feels like it's in a really good place at the moment. Are all of these done by agents, totally automated? Yep, everything totally 100% automated. Got to cost so much token. Well, everything is relative. It just depends on what you mean by so much token. Because it's also, like I said, it's optimizing itself all the time. It went through an optimization run this morning, and it generated a nice report for me saying, these skills typically will use this much content, this many tokens, which translate to this many dollars, because it goes and looks up the input output token costs for whichever models were involved during the execution of the skill. Whatever the price was at that time gets recorded when it's executing, so that I can track how much money am I burning using these skills, and how efficient are these skills. Because if an agent tries to implement a task and it fails, like the tests fail or regression fails or formatting fails, it's marked as a failure, which we want to avoid next time. So that means the skill needs to be improved, and that's all tracked. So let's say you want a feature, how much would it cost monetarily? So it depends on the feature. Obviously, the language is a bit vague because a feature can be large or small. Let me try and think of an example. So today I implemented a publish to YouTube button on the auto clipping feature. That cost out of my usage limits, that cost probably 2 to 3% overall. There was that feature plus 2 bug fixes that went into that spec. Monetarily, the token cost for that would be probably like $100, but as part of the subscription, it's like 1 to 2% because I'm on the Anthropic Max 20. From everything you've said, it feels like you've dug yourself into a rabbit hole. If you can actually pull all that off, bravo. Well, What do you mean by rabbit hole? So there is a problem that you need to be very careful with all this stuff, where you're let's say you're spending all of your Anthropic subscription, you're burning it all on optimizing your usage of their product, which is a really like insidious thing to be aware of. And I was definitely doing that for maybe 4 months because the TurboCast product wasn't moving at all, but the TurboCast harness, it was moving a lot. And then I realized I haven't shipped any identifiable features on the product, even though I've done all of this work. And I realized I'm spending way too much trying to optimize this agent harness. What I need to actually do is deliver value to the product. So Harun, I think you're identifying a real problem that does bite people. I think I probably spent like £1,000 learning that lesson. Don't don't spend your time optimizing your usage of the LLM coding tools. They're pretty good. Like do some work. If I had to put percentage on it, I would say split like 80% your product, 20% your harness. And that's roughly what I'm trying to do these days. Trying to really drive down the cost of using these tools. But at the same time, you don't want to do nothing. You don't want to just be pure vibe coding because the results vary a lot. You get very inconsistent results. The quality is output is no good. The testing quality is garbage. The performance will be garbage. The reliability will be garbage. So I think putting some work into the harness so that you have skills that can repeat things reliably, you get good value from that as a developer. But modest, what is it called? Moderation. Everything in moderation. Don't go nuts into your harness because you just burn your money. Harun, are you in the software world then? Harun, is this sounding familiar? Ringing any bells? Have you done this yourself? Because I think everyone is doing this at the moment. Yes, I am half developer. Does what I'm saying ring true with you? Or have you had a different experience? SAP ABAP developer for 15 years. Sapabap. I I've been programming for how old am I now? I'm now 37. I started when I was like 18. So I've been pretty much 20 years I've been programming. I don't know what Sapabap developer is. I'm not letting AI touch my back end. Kauzai very precious about his back end. Except boiler code or small stuff. Shall we have a look at some of this horrendous AI code? Um, move this chat over here. I'm gonna lose my face, but you'll see. So this was the last session I had running, but I'll get the code base up instead. Let's have a look at some of this slop. I almost never have to actually open up this code base. Sometimes I open it to just check in on the backlog. This is all entirely agent driven, all of this, just for context. So we've got, what should we look at? Should we look at some Rust? Where's the Rust gonna be? Be under apps? No, be under services, I think. Here we go, crates. Here's the clipper. It's the build RS. Main. Slop. Do you speak Rust? I don't really speak Rust. I use Rust sometimes at work, but not a lot. This seems like a pretty horrendous function, to be honest. Was that like 100 line long? So this is the main run loop here. Sets up some tracing info. Chat detection. Yeah, so this service we're looking at, the Turbo class Clipper, this is the microservice that I used to write a crypto miner in Rust. It says Kauzaya. This service, it's responsible for, at runtime during a live stream, clipping out the audio video and formatting it to vertical and shipping it to all of your connected social accounts. So YouTube Shorts or TikTok or Instagram Reels or whatever. Whilst you're running your stream, this will automatically notice what moment was significant and send it out. Which is how long would that take, like a typical software development team to put together? A long time. Like, I know because I'm literally a software team lead, like a machine learning operations platform team. And if I asked the guys to build this before, like AI, before agents were a thing, ask a team to build this, I think you're talking like 2 or 3 sprints work for what, 3 or 4 devs. And the AI just, I think it put this together in probably 3 days. And then there's a bunch of bugs to fix and whatnot, but largely it's good. But anyway, the Rust is quite dense to try and read. If we look at a Docker file, it's a bit easier to parse. I've never looked at this file before. So you can see it's a multi-stage build file. It's got the Slim as the final image down here. Yeah, this looks like a really decent production image that's put together. About some Elixir, because the front end and the control plane is built in Elixir. Let's go see some Elixir. Let's look at a controller to the web. Actually, let's look at the router. It's pretty neat. Got these pretty sensible routes so far. Instagram, X, the shared routes. All these pipelines look pretty good to me, but my standards may differ from yours, I guess. What about see one of these components? A blog component? Yeah. Oh, this is just how you do components in live view. Bad. Let's go see the broadcast. See, that is really very nice to read. Sure, the primary stream. Get the primary stream. If it's okay, it's loaded and assign the socket and put the title in there. If it's not okay, log the error, put the flash, redirect the broadcast. That is such nice, clean code. In my humble opinion. Where's chat gone? Here it is. I used to write a crypto miner in Rust. Router or Rolter. Okay. Or Rolter. What else? Also in here to give the agents like complete, what is it, context for the product and everything. There's business documentation, so accounts information, business goals, business strategy, minutes from meetings, things like that. That's all in the repo as well, so it can reference those, and using that, it informs like the product layer. In the product, you've got things like backlog and decisions being made, and these are metrics that it's using to measure itself. Different personas for people who are using it, the product. These are the signals I was talking about. Here's all the spec stuff. So these are the different like spec life cycles. You got unrefined, then it goes to refined, then it goes to do, then it's in progress, then it's unfinalized, and then it's done. And then if there's a spec that supersedes it, it moves to archived. Don't really know what else to show. A bunch of fly stuff because it's running on fly. Cloudflare, there's IAC, some Terraform because you know IAC is good practice. Just to handle like the DNS and the CDN and the buckets and whatnot for storage. Yeah, I think that's kind of it. So generally the workflow is that Claude will, so depending on the model, various models from Claude or Anthropic will plan and architect the work and then do the work, and then I'm using Codex to review and adversarially review it. Have you ever felt like you lose your grip on the project as it grows? And do you have separate tiers like dev system, test system? Have you ever felt like you lose your grip on the project as it grows? I have felt like I've lost my grip on the project at various times. Right now I feel pretty close to the project, but like I said previously, there has been times where I felt like I didn't really know what was going on when I was running these specs. I didn't recognize like the names of the components the specs was referencing, and the agent seemed to be mostly concerned with optimizing its own harness instead of building the product. During those times, yeah, I was losing my grip on the project, and if I'd continued down that path, I would have just set my bank account on fire and probably get divorced and become more of an alcoholic. But I didn't do that. I corrected my course. Now the harness is pretty lean and it delivers a lot of work very quickly. So the product is moving nicely now. And for separate tiers, I used to have a pretty complicated like local dev setup that I would have the agent keep in parity with the prod system. But to be honest, the quality of the work that gets produced and the rigor of the automation has meant that I don't actually need a dev or a test or a staging or anything like that. Because the testing that not only the agent does, but also the CI system, it is so rigorous. Nothing like system crashing gets through anymore. I don't remember the last time the production system was down. It degrades gracefully. It fails gracefully, whatever the term is, I've forgotten at the moment. So parts of it, if there's an error, like the most common thing that happens is credentials expire. So the Cloudflare buckets, when I need to like upload portions of streams to turn into clips or interact with the Terraform state or something, like the credentials needed to do those operations, they expire every month, and I haven't got around to automating the rotation of those. Because I'm still not sure I can do that sensibly. Plus, I'm playing around with the idea of integrating a Doppler for those kinds of secrets. But yeah, I don't need a dev system. I don't need a test system. I never even run it locally. I haven't run it locally for like a year. So it's a lot. Plus, I don't have the money really for running a whole different environment of the system, and it scales to zero. The entire thing scales to zero right now. So if there's no one using it, it doesn't cost any money for me to run it, which is like a hard constraint that I've built in to the system from day one. Everything must scale to zero when not in use. What is your setup? What do you mean, what is my setup? My What is my setup? You mean what is the stack for the system? Operating system, shell, desktop environment. So I'm on Ubuntu because I like to be able to say I use Linux, but you know, with all the modern conveniences of the corporate-owned Ubuntu. The shell is Z shell with the Oh My Zosh framework on top of it. I think I'm on. No, I'm not on Spaceship anymore. I think it's a minimalist theme I've got. Desktop environment is XT. What is that one called? XFCE. For tool versions and things like that, I'm using ASDF. ASDF. I'd like to get into using like Arch or something mental. Or what was DHH's operating system that he came out with? Balls, I can't remember the name of that. But that one looked pretty decent. I don't remember what it's called. Right. How are you gaming? You've seen my gaming. I'm gaming terribly. There's a real skill issue. How am I gaming? I don't know. I've got. Is it WSL on Windows? No, I'm on Ubuntu. I'm not on Windows. How I am gaming is very kind developers build for the Linux target. Dota especially is very good with its Linux compatibility. They've got the, what is it, the Proton emulator? Is it Sniper now? I forget what it's called. But it's like it's native. It's really good. It's very important to me that I be on a Linux box for all the dev tooling. Oh, it's just Dota on Linux. Yeah. And any other game that I want to play, it's just Steam is very lovely and it just handles the install of the emulator and whatever. I don't need to worry about all that garbage. Installing Wine or um, Bottle or whatever the other alternatives are. I used to have to do that, and then Steam was like, ah. The workflow that you explained sounds so cool to me. Your Dota is good to me either. Dota on Xbox when? uh, the workflow that you explained sounds so cool to me. Yeah, the workflow it is a lot better. It's really good, but there's still problems I'm working on with it. So I'm not sure how to tackle the problem where when an agent is running through a spec and a spec can contain a bunch of things to do, like it can be like a feature to implement and a bug to fix. Occasionally, whilst implementing that, an agent will kind of generate more work to do. It'll be like, oh, I've noticed whilst I was fixing this, I noticed there's a bug in another part of the system. I'll make a spec to cover that later. And it'll do that for like 2 or 3 things it notices. And it's like, I've I've built and shipped one spec now, but I've generated 3. But I want to be able to crunch through the backlog and be finished with the work before identifying more to do. So that's a bit of a problem I'm tackling right now. That's the latest problem. Like, how do you absorb that work without growing the backlog exponentially? And I've already got things in there so that when it's identifying this new work, it first scans the backlog to try and find an existing item where it could just like shuffle that work in. Like, oh, there's already a Clipper bug fix. I'll put it in there. But that didn't make as big a dent as I thought it would. So that's the latest thing I'm working on for the harness. As for the product, the latest thing I'm working on is the vertical clip publishing. So there's going to be an editor in the UI where people can like template out. Typically, they can like drag like this is where my camera usually is. Put this in the top of the vertical layout. Zoom in or crop to this part of the screen typically, and then the auto clipper will use that template to generate clips and then publish those. That's the product, Duber. I use Windows and Debian on WSL for dev. That does sound like a good setup. Windows has come a long way. WSL seems pretty decent. I think StarCraft was on Nintendo 64. Hire an intern to tackle the backlog. You stop at some point to clear the backlog. Yeah. Could just say do not under any circumstances do not generate more backlog items. Just progress through the backlog items. And I could probably get through it in about a week. There's about 180-ish items in the backlog. I could get through that in a week, I'm pretty sure. Hire an intern. Is an intern cheaper than Claude? Is it more reliable? Is it more consistent? You want to be my intern, QC? Alright. I think it's time to go to bed. Did I get any, Oh, I did get a reroll, Duber. Don't want any of these things. Rare, rare, rare. Oh, we still haven't done a Ricky in the offlane game. Need to do that tomorrow. I'll get reported straight away. Thanks for the chat. Yeah, no worries. It's been nice. Thanks for the questions. It's good to chat about. Yeah, I'll work for free, but you need to pay for my internet, office space, and cloud subscription. Yeah, right. Like I would pay for your Claude sub. You'd use it on your own project instantly. I'd be like, how's that feature coming along, QC? You'd be like, yeah, still working on it. Oh yeah? I see you're burning a lot of tokens. Must be quite difficult. Yeah. Yeah, totally. Just don't look through what I'm actually spending the tokens on. I know that because that's how I would be, to be honest. Joke's on you, I don't know how to use Claude. Just ask Claude. Ask Claude how to use Claude. He will tell you. It's that easy. Dear Claude, how do I best use Claude? This is what I want to do. How do I do it? Thank you. No weeds. No weeds? You mean no weed? Like no joints? I'm in Scotland in the UK. Weed or cannabis or marijuana, whatever you want to call it, is the Mexican tobacco, technically illegal here still for non-medical use. Love to be partaking occasionally, but I also don't want to risk me going to prison and then my children having to grow up with a absent father. It's not worth it. I would like to though, but it's not worth it. But I would like to, but it's not worth it. Yeah. I will use Claude someday. I got game ideas. Sick, bro. Right, I'm gonna go to bed, guys. Thank you very much. This was a thrilling conversation. I find it useful to be talking through things like this because most of the time this stuff just lives in my head and I think, am I an idiot for approaching this project like this? And I might be an idiot. I probably am an idiot. But it's nice to talk about how much of an idiot I am. And thank you for the company. Uh, and I'll be streaming tomorrow in the daytime. Lunchtime, I've got a football game tomorrow. And then I'll be streaming most of the afternoon, I think. UK time. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.